If you own a car, you know that having the right accessories can take your driving experience from basic to brilliant. Let's dive into the top picks you didn't know you needed. And stick around because you won't want to miss the final item. It's a total game changer. The clip-on wide-angle rearview mirror. If you've ever struggled with blind spots or found yourself second-guessing lane changes, this one's for you. The convex mirror expands your field of vision, making sure you see more than just the car behind you. It helps you spot motorcycles, pedestrians, and anything else that might be lurking out of sight. And if you have kids in the back seat, this mirror lets you keep an eye on them without turning your head. Safety, convenience, and peace of mind, all in one simple clip-on fix. Plus, the anti-glare design reduces harsh reflections at night, ensuring a comfortable drive regardless of the time of day. Whether you're a busy parent, a rideshare driver, or just someone who likes a clutter-free car, a backseat organizer is a must. This isn't just a simple pouch. It's got cup holders, storage compartments, and even built-in fast-charging cables for your devices. It keeps snacks, toys, and essentials within arm's reach, making long trips and everyday commutes way more enjoyable. Plus, with durable hooks and anti-slip pads, everything stays in place, even on bumpy roads. Imagine never having to search under the seat for a lost water bottle or phone again. Ever needed to charge your laptop in the car? Or plug in something that requires a standard AC outlet? A car power inverter turns your vehicle's 12-volt outlet into a power source for your devices. With multiple USB ports and AC outlets, you can charge everything from smartphones to Christmas lights. And with built-in safety features like overheat protection, you can power up without worry. Ideal for road trips, remote work, or emergency situations. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or waiting out a storm in your car, this device ensures you stay connected and powered up at all times. A high-quality car wash brush kit isn't just about making your car shine, it's about doing it efficiently and safely. The adjustable length brush lets you clean hard-to-reach areas without straining yourself, and the 2-in-1 chenille mitt ensures a scratch-free wash. Whether you're cleaning your car, your RV, or even outdoor furniture, this versatile kit is a game-changer. Plus, the ultra-absorbent microfiber material traps dirt and grime, preventing scratches and making washing quicker and easier. Who needs expensive car washes when you've got this? Not to mention, it's great for winter months when dirt and salt can build up fast. Speaking of clean, let's talk about the ultimate tool for keeping your interior spotless, a cordless car vacuum. Forget bulky, weak vacuums, this one packs a powerful punch with 15 kilopascals of suction. Whether it's dust, crumbs, or pet hair, it gets the job done. Plus, it's not just a vacuum, it's also an air pump and a blower. With multiple attachments, it's a must-have for any car owner who takes pride in a clean ride. Imagine pulling up to a meeting or picking up friends and knowing your car's interior is always in top shape. Plus, with its ultra-lightweight design, you can clean with one hand while tackling hard-to-reach spots with ease. And where does all that trash go? A car trash can might not seem like a big deal, but once you have one, you'll wonder how you lived without it. This isn't just any bin, it's waterproof, durable, and even doubles as a storage container. With a self-closing lid to keep odors in check and additional hooks for grocery bags, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in keeping your car fresh and organized. Long road trip? No problem. You won't have to worry about empty snack wrappers or loose receipts cluttering your vehicle anymore. And the best part, it blends seamlessly into your car's interior, keeping things tidy without looking out of place. From safety to cleanness, these must-have accessories bring convenience to your daily drives. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, these upgrades make every journey smoother. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car hacks and must-have gear. And remember, sometimes it's the small additions that make the biggest difference on the road.